What's good, my beautiful dingleberries? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm out here at the beautiful Lake Hennessey getting ready to do some bass fishing. Lake Hennessey is a lake that I haven't fished at in well over 2 years now, so I honestly have no idea how the bite's been out here lately, but I'm hoping that it's starting to pick up, and I'm really hoping that I don't get skunked today. You know, the goal is just to not get skunked today, because bass fishing has been really tough for me. In fact, today is my first bass fishing sesh of 2021. I haven't gone bass fishing at all up until today. So, yeah, hopefully I can catch at least one largie, at least one. Alrighty, y'all. Now, with that being said, it is time for me to take a couple blinkers off of my dab pen before I head out to the lake. Cheers, y'all. Okay, ladies and gents, I have arrived at my first spot of the day. The time right now is 3 p.m. so I got about 3 hours and 15 minutes to fish. So yeah, hopefully the bite's like I said in the intro, hopefully the bite's gonna be good. Hopefully the bite's decent at the very least. I'm starting the day off with the Z-Man Chatterbait. Got the green pumpkin Keitech Swimbait, 4.8 inch Keitech Swimbait, and then black and blue Chatterbait. So hopefully I can get a reaction bite. I want to try to see if I can get one bass to bite the Chatterbait. Well, folks, looks like they aren't biting the Chatterbait. I fished the Chatterbait for like almost an hour now, and haven't gotten a bite so far. So I'll try the drop shot, good old faithful drop shot, see if I can get a bite somewhere around here. Bite's pretty tough right now. Hoping it turns on at some point. Oh, fish on. That's a fish. I didn't even feel him bite. That's a fish though. Yeah, on the jig. Jig fish, baby. Come in here. Come into the boat. Yeah. Oh, I gotta let out some line. But I hooked him good. I can boat flip this dude. All right, come in here. Come in here, buddy. Oh, there we go. Second fish of the day, folks. Yes, sir, on the football jig. On the football jig. There we go. I hooked him good. Look at that. Yeah, I definitely hooked him good. Gotta get the pliers for this dude. Alright, there we go. Got the jig out of its mouth. Alright, buddy. You're good to go. See ya. Oh, shit, I'm stuck. Shit. Snagged pretty bad. Oh, hopefully I don't lose this jig. No. Come on. Oh, there we go. Got it out. Okay guys, so just a little time check for y'all. It's currently 6 p.m. or 6:05 to be exact, so I really don't have a whole lot of time to fish left. I got maybe like 10 minutes left to fish. I'm hoping I can maybe catch just one more fish. Just one more. Ooh, just got a hit. Just got a thump. Come on, buddy. Come back for it. Oh, yep. There we go. Hooked up. Yep, got him. Got him. Got him. Yep. Oh, yeah. There we go, boys. There we go. Another fish. Let me get the net. Get the net for this guy. This guy's a decent little chunker. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. There we go. Yeah, last fish of the day, folks. It is 6:17 right now, so it's time for me to head back to the launch ramp. But whew, not a bad day. Bite was really slow at first, but at the end of the day, I finally figured out a pattern. Dope. All right, buddy. Thank you for biting. See ya. Alrighty folks, I am back at home now after a pretty fun day of bass fishing. Initially, for the first 2 hours or so, I was grinding my ass off to get a bite. And you know, I started off by fishing at the Thule's, and I made a ton of casts with the Chatterbait and a ton of casts with the Dropshot, and I just couldn't get a single bite at the Thule's area. So, you know, after 2 hours of fishing the Thule's and not getting a bite, I was feeling pretty frustrated. So I was like, fuck it. You know what? I'm gonna head over to the Rocky area and see if I can get a bite there. And sure enough, as soon as I headed over to the Rocky area, the Rocky part of the lake, I started getting some bites. And you know, at around like 5:30 was when I finally got my first bite of the day, when I finally first caught my first fish of the day, I should say, on the good old faithful Dropshot. And you know, I was actually rewatching the footage of me catching the fish on the Dropshot, my first fish on the Dropshot, and I don't know why, but the audio cut out, and yeah, sorry about that, folks. The audio, there's no audio. for that particular clip. Of course, when I finally catch a fish, the audio just cuts out. I don't know why, but that's what happened. And you know, that fish was pull and drag. That fish was fighting really fucking hard, and it definitely got my blood pumping like crazy. Honestly, guys, when I was fighting that first fish on my Finesse Rod, I was low-key worried that he might break me off, because he was making my rod bend like fucking crazy, and he was peel and drag. So he definitely had a lot of fight in him, and he would not give up easily. But thankfully, he didn't break me off, and I was able to get him into the kayak. And unfortunately, I did not bring my scale with me, so I wasn't able to weigh the fish out. But if I were to guess how much he weighed roughly, I would say anywhere between 3 to 3.5 pounds, maybe 3 3/4. So yeah, somewhere within that range, somewhere within the 3-pound range. After I finally caught my first fish of the day, I decided to throw the jig around for a while, because I figured that if the bass are willing to bite the drop shot, then they're probably willing to bite the jig too. And sure enough, I was right, because I managed to catch 2 largies on the finesse jig before I left. So yeah, overall I had a fun time out on the water, and to celebrate the fact that I did not get skunked today, I am gonna kill this joint right here, and after I kill this joint, I am gonna take a couple fat bong rips. Cheers, y'all. Okay guys, the joint has been killed, so now it's time for me to take some bong rips, because even though I'm feeling high right now, I want to get even higher. So yeah, cheers everyone. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be my last bong rip for tonight. So I'm gonna sign out now because I'm high as shit. And I will see you all on my next stoned fishing adventure. Peace out, everyone.
Listen.